Hello friends, this video is brought to you by www.muayteaching.com.
If we take number of circular sheets of paper and stack them up, and we have to stack them vertically up, then we get what is called a right circular cylinder. But if these circles are not kept at right angles to the base and the base is circular, then we get something like this, and surely the cylinder so formed is not a right circular cylinder. A rough figure would be something like this. And of course, if we have a cylinder with a non-circular base, that means if base is not circular, then also such a cylinder will not be a right circular cylinder. But here in this chapter, we will deal with only right circular cylinders. So unless stated otherwise, the word cylinder would mean right circular cylinder. We must remember that for a right circular cylinder, the centers of the base and the topmost circle must lie on one axis, and length of this axis gives us the height of right circular cylinder. Also, radius of the cylinder shall mean base radius of the cylinder. Now, if the cylinder is to be covered with colored paper, what we have to do is take a rectangular sheet of paper whose length is just enough to go around the cylinder and whose breadth is equal to the height of the cylinder. That means length should be equal to 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the circle, and breadth should be equal to the height of the cylinder. Then curved surface area of this cylinder is equal to area of the rectangular sheet, which is equal to length into breadth, that is 2 pi r into h. So the formula for the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now consider if top and bottom of the cylinder are also to be covered with the paper, we need two circles, each of whose area will be given by pi r square. Total surface area of the cylinder equal to curved surface area plus area of the two circles, which comes out to be 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We can take out 2 pi r common and we are left with h plus r in the bracket. Now we will remember this as a formula. Total surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, where pi can take value 22 by 7 or 3.14 or the value that is mentioned in the question. Let us read the question. Savitri had to make a model of cylindrical kaleidoscope for her science project. She wanted to use chart paper to make the curved surface of the kaleidoscope. What would be the area of the chart paper required by her if she wanted to make a kaleidoscope of length 25 centimeters with a 3.5 centimeter radius? You may take pi equal to 22 by 7. It is given that length of the kaleidoscope should be 25 centimeters. That means the height of the kaleidoscope will be 25 centimeters and the radius is given as 3.5 centimeters. We know that area of the chart paper required will be equal to curved surface area of the kaleidoscope, whose formula is 2 pi RH. Let us substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7, as value of pi is given in the question to be 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 25 centimeter square. On solving, we get 550 centimeter square. That means area of the chart paper required is 550 centimeter square.